Talk about a frustrating day. I'm going to end it there for today. We'll see you tomorrow. All right, let's go check out the van and show what we've got done so far. The biggest project we've been working on in the van is the ceiling. Probably put together a full video on that, but the ceiling, once I started doing the ceiling, I realized there was a lot of things that had to be done at the same time, and that's kind of when things start to feel a little bit stressful, because it's just like, oh, I got to do this, this. I need this material, that material, this material. Yeah, today I think we'll get it finished. So the ceiling, I'm using 1/4-inch Luan plywood, and I'm covering that with upholstery foam and then marine vinyl. It's a perforated marine vinyl, and I'm super happy with how it turned out. Today was gonna be a good day. It's getting ready to cut the fan all in, and we're gonna put the fan in, and then we're gonna finish the ceiling, get that all foamed, and then the ceiling would be all done. And then I realized I cut the fan in the wrong spot. So I spent the last hour being very frustrated, but I think I have a solution. But the solution needs a welder, and my dad has a welder, so I'm going to go to my dad's place, pick up the welder. It's my parents' place. When you say dad's place or mom's place, it sounds like your parents are divorced. My parents are still together. So my parents' place, and pick up the welder and see if I can get this fix going. Hopefully it's not too big of a delay. Otherwise, I don't know exactly what I'm going to do. So let's go get that welder. Welding didn't work. I mean, welding is going to work, just me welding didn't work. So now I gotta find someone who can. So the weld is two things. It's not the right machine, and the guy holding it isn't the best at welding or good at all. I don't know if you can see that. I mean, I probably could have made it work, but it's not the best plan. So what I'm going to try to do now, is figure out what my options are. Man, was today frustrating. Yeah. I didn't get too mad though. When I get mad, I just kind of go quiet. My dad was here and he could just tell I was in a bad mood. So I just went quiet. Had the day to think about it, try a few things. I now know what isn't going to work. And I don't really know what is going to work yet, but I'm going to get there. I'll get there. Try a few more things, but we'll come up with a plan. Oh, it'd be so easy just to leave this out of the video. I actually have to go out of my way to film this frustration. It'd be so much easier just to cut this out and pretend like everything went swimmingly, but it just really didn't. So stay tuned. We're going to get this figured out. We'll get it figured out. I'm not sure you guys totally understand what the problem is, so I'll try to explain that as well. But basically on the shorter van, I centered the the roof vent in the back of the van over where I'm having the kitchen area, which doesn't give me enough room to put a Thule rooftop box beside it without it overhanging the van. And I should have moved it, instead of centered it, I should have moved it instead of centered towards the driver's side of the vehicle. I just got so caught up with, center, and I just didn't even think till I'd cut it. And I looked over at my old van and I was just, oh, you idiot. At that point in time, that was already out of the van. So yeah, tried the welder, didn't work. Something will work though. We'll get there. But man, talk about a frustrating day. I'm going to end it there for today. We'll see you tomorrow. All right. So none of the plans I tried yesterday were going to work. Frustration levels are much lower today. I do have a new plan, but I need to go pick up some sheet metal. So I'm going to go pick up some sheet metal. Hopefully this new plan works and we can get the vent fan in, move on with the project. So let's go get it. Good morning pickups. Already been to Home Depot. Now I'm at Canadian Tire. It doesn't open for another 23 minutes. And then I should have everything to fix my vent fan boo-boo. I'm confident in my new fix. Tried a bunch of other things. A lot of things I didn't actually try. I just tried them in my head and realized they weren't going to work. But now I've got the real fix. I picked up some sheet metal. So I got the sheet metal and it's going to work 100%. So we'll get that fixed today, hopefully. Need to pick up some Bondo here. So I don't know how long Bondo takes to dry. So I might not get the vent fan done today, but once it's done, I can finish the ceiling. Man, it's crazy how much one mistake, like, sets you back, like, 3 days? About 3 days, maybe more. Alright, success. Got everything I need. I don't know if I like the McDonald's coffee better. I don't know. It's too hot when you get it, though. It's like still too hot. It's been 15 minutes. But yeah, got everything I need. Off to the shop. Let's get this vent fan hole fixed so we can move on to the next part of the build. Thank you very much. Oh, what a fail. Friday, it's the end of the week. I officially feel like I got nothing done Well, I got a lot done, but essentially got myself back to the exact same point I was in at this time last week because I cut the vent in the wrong spot, but that's all fixed. Last thing I gotta do, seal it up top, and it's done. Then we can finish the ceiling panels. So, gotta climb the roof one more time. I feel like I've been up and down the ladder a million times, and half the times I'm just going up there to think because I didn't know how I was gonna fix this, but it turned out awesome. All right, hopefully this is the last time I'm up here, and then I can call the vent done.